Hey guys, so today we're going to do an unboxing of the new Andis Black Label clippers. These just came out and pretty excited to check it out. And we're also going to compare it with the previous model too. I also have this clipper. I've been using this one for about like 6 months now and I really like it. So I'm just curious to see what the difference are between these two and what upgrades they've done on them. So I think the improved sound profile is a pretty important factor because, you know, I have the older model and it honestly is the loudest clipper I have out of all my clippers. So, you know, usually when I'm cutting a client's hair, when I'm talking to them, usually they can't really hear what I'm saying just because the clipper is buzzing so loud in the ear. So I'm pretty excited to see the upgrade on that. So yeah, let's get straight to it. Just open up the box here. Okay. So they got this inside of it, and it kind of opens up like an iPhone, like that. Okay. Now we got the clipper inside. In this plastic thing here. Look at that. It's a pretty nice color, matte black. I like the color of that. You also got a little cover on it. And also the blade is all black too, which is pretty nice. Let's just actually do a little side by side with the previous model. So this is the previous model, this is a newer model. And as you can see, they look pretty much the same, in my opinion. The backs too, they almost look identical. The weight of both of them, I would say this one's just a little bit lightweight, but not enough to notice. To tell you the truth, it's pretty much the same. And let's hear the sound difference between these two. Okay, so let's check the sound quality between these two. I'm gonna put my mic right by them so that way you guys can kind of hear it clearly. Okay, so first the old one. And the new model. I don't know if you guys can hear the difference through the mic, but I would say noticeably this one is a lot quieter than the old model. Also, the build quality of this one sounds a bit more compact than this one. This one, it kind of has like a bit of like a rattly kind of sound to it. This one is a very tight, compact kind of sound. So for sure, I would say, you know, just the sound alone is a lot better on this one. I'm a big fan of the matte black on it. You know, I like how that looks. And the levers, they change too. Yeah, that's also good. Shit, I kind of got like oil all over that from this clipper. I just oiled it up, so it's kind of not looking so matte anymore. Let's see what it comes with. So surprisingly, it looks like it comes with a charging dock, which in the old model, you don't get this with it. So that's pretty impressive. I had to buy my own with the other one. So that's pretty cool. You get a little charging dock with it. Let's see what else is behind here. Okay, so you got like a little box here. Keep in mind that with the old model, you don't get, pretty much you get nothing with it. You don't even get guards with it, so kind of curious to see what's inside here. Okay, so we got the cable. So this is basically going to plug into the charging dock. And wow. So we got one guard, and that's the 0 guard. Okay. Dual magnet. So you got one 0 guard. It's kind of random. I don't know why it just comes with a 0 guard, but okay, I guess it comes with just this one. Better than nothing. I mean, like I said, the last one comes with nothing. You have to buy everything separate. I don't know what this is. This is a little postcard. Manual. Got a little bit of oil too. And a little brush. And I think that's about it for the clipper. I'm gonna oil them up because I haven't oiled this up yet, actually. So I'm gonna put some oil on it. So there you have it, guys. That was a review for the new Andis Black Label clippers. And I'm gonna do another video on me actually using it on someone and reviewing just how it feels cutting someone's hair with it too. But yeah, that's about it, guys. And I'll see you guys next time.